In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibrations. Begin by opening settings and tapping on sounds and vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Following that, select vibration intensity and operate those two sliders to manage haptic feedback for incoming calls, alarms, messages and notifications. If you wish to, you can tap on sound mode and by tapping on vibrate mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll all the way down and hit haptics. By clicking on this switcher next to system haptics, you can turn them on or off. You can even adjust intensity of them by operating this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!